In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add an announcement bar to your Squarespace website. This can be a powerful tool for catching your visitors' attention and directing them to important information, promotions, or any updates you want them to know about. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Simply enter the URL into the address bar and hit enter. Once the website is fully loaded, you'll want to log in using your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, this would be a good time to create one, but for most of you, just logging in will take you to your website's dashboard. With access to your account, look for the navigation menu, which usually appears on the left-hand side of the page. From there, locate the section labeled Website. Clicking on this will expand the menu and give you more options to choose from. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Pages, and that's where you want to go next. The Pages section is where you have control over your site structure and can manage different elements, including our focus for today, the announcement bar. Now that you're in the Pages section, the next thing you want to do is look for marketing tools. This is where the fun begins as you start to customize your website's promotional tools. Tap on Marketing Tools and you'll see several options designed to help you drive engagement. Look for Announcement Bar and click on that. You'll notice an option to enable the announcement bar. Go ahead and toggle that setting to the On position. Enabling the announcement bar doesn't just stop there. Once you have it turned on, you can personalize the message that will appear to your website visitors. Think of creative ways to grab their attention. It could be an exclusive discount code, a fabulous new arrival, or just any pertinent news you want to share. Right below the text box for your message, there's an option to attach a link. This is quite useful if you want to direct your audience to another page on your website or perhaps to an external site with more detailed information. Click on Attach a Link and enter the URL for easy redirection. And that sums up the process. You've now successfully created an announcement bar tailored to your site's needs. This simple yet effective tool can significantly enhance user engagement on your site. Always remember to update your announcement message as needed to keep your visitors informed and interested in what you have to offer. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and guides on optimizing your online presence.